Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. I want to start this video with a quick question. Have you ever played a video game where you are the controller or seen a fitness app track your squats automatically? Well, today we are going to uncover the secret tech behind all of that. It's called pose estimation. And trust me, by the end of this video, you are going to build your own version of it. Yes, really. So, what exactly is pose estimation? Let's break it down into simple words. Pose just means the position and shape of your body, like how you are standing, sitting, or doing a cartwheel. And estimation means making a smart guess. So, pose estimation is when a computer looks at you through a camera and makes a really smart guess about exactly how your body is positioned, which direction your arms are pointing, whether your knees are bent, where your head is, all of that in real time. And you know what's the coolest part? The computer doesn't need any special suit or sensor glued to your body. It can figure all of this out just from a normal camera image. That's the magic of artificial intelligence. Before we go deeper, let's quickly talk about how computers actually see things. When you look at a photo, you see a person. But a computer, it sees millions of tiny colored squares called pixels. A clever AI system has been trained on thousands and thousands of photos of people in different poses. Over time, it learned to recognize patterns like, oh, when pixel looks like this, that's probably an elbow, or those two bright spots close together, that's likely a pair of eyes. This type of AI is called a neural network. It works a little bit like your own brain, making connections and learning from examples. And it all happens in milliseconds, faster than a blink. Alright, here's where things get really visual. When pose estimation looks at your body, it doesn't try to understand every single pixel. Instead, it focuses on special important spots called key points. Think of key points like the most common checkpoints on a treasure map. Instead of drawing the entire island in detail, you just mark the key locations. The most common key points include the nose, both eyes, both ears, both shoulders, elbows, wrist, hips, knees, and ankles. That's 17 key points in total. Each key point has an X and Y position on screen. Basically, it's coordinates, like a grid reference on a map, and a confidence score which tells you how sure the AI is that it found that point correctly. So basically, key points are like pins on Google Maps. Instead of drawing every building, you just drop a pin on the important places. So now we have all those key points, little dots on your body. What comes next? We connect them. When we connect these dots with lines, we get what's called a skeleton. Not a spooky Halloween skeleton, but a digital stick figure version of you. This is called skeleton tracing. The skeleton updates many times per second. So as you move your arm up, the digital arm moves up too. Crouch down, the digital skeleton crouches. Do a silly dance and your digital skeleton does the exact same silly dance. This is actually called real-time skeleton tracking, and it's the backbone, literally, of so many cool technologies. Okay, now we are going to build our very own pose detection AI. And the best part, no complex code, no special equipment, just a browser and a dataset. We will be using a free tool made by Google called Teachable Machine. Here's what we are building, an AI that can look at a person and tell whether they are standing or sitting. 2 classes, clean and simple. This is actually used in real posture monitoring apps that alert you when you have been sitting for too long. Now, for the training data, I have already prepared a dataset for you. I have collected images of people standing and people sitting from free image dataset online. The link is in the description below. You can download it and use it, or if you prefer, you can find your own photos from Google Images or even take your own photos at home, whatever works for you. So first thing first, open your browser and go to teachablemachine.withgoogle.com. You will land on the home page. Click on Get Started. Go ahead and select the Pose project. You will see your workspace. You will see two boxes on the left. One says class 1 and the other says class 2. Let's rename them so they make sense. Click the little pencil icon next to class 1 and type standing. Then click the pencil next to class 2 and type sitting. That's it. The names helps us stay organized, and they will also be the labels the AI uses when it makes a prediction. Simple but important. Now it's time to add your training data. In the standing class, click on upload. Select all the standing images from the folder and click open. You will see all the images appear as thumbnails inside the standing class, and Teachable Machine will automatically find the pose key points in each one. You will notice tiny skeleton dots appearing on every photo. That's AI already getting to work. Now do same for the sitting class. Click upload and select all the sitting images. You will see the thumbnails fill in just like before. Notice how the key points look different here. The hips are lower, the knees are bent. That difference is exactly what our AI is going to learn. Alright, our training data is now loaded up. Go ahead and click on Train Model. Now, the AI is looking at every single image you uploaded, finding the 17 key points on each person's body and learning the patterns that separates standing key points from sitting key points. You will see a progress bar. Let it complete and do not close the tab. Alright, training is now done. Now let's test it. In the preview panel on the right, click on input option and choose upload. Pick a test image of someone standing, ideally the one that wasn't in your training set. You will see the bar chart instantly show standing with a high confidence score. Now upload a sitting image and watch the bar flip to sitting. And that was it. You just created your own pose AI model. Now you might be wondering, okay, this is cool, but where is it actually used? The answer is everywhere. First is fitness apps. Apps like Google Fit and Nike Training use pose estimation to check your workout form, like telling you, hey, keep your back straight during that squat. Second, gaming. Games like Just Dance or Xbox Kinect use it so your whole body becomes the controller. No joystick needed. Third, healthcare and rehab. Physiotherapists use it to track patient recovery, making sure a person is doing exercise correctly after an injury. Fourth, sign language. Researchers are building tools that translate sign language in real time using pose estimation of the hands and body. Fifth, sports analysis. Coaches use it to analyze an athlete's running style, swimming stroke, or bowling action to help them improve. And the technology is only getting better. In the future, pose estimation might help robots understand human movement or power smart classrooms that detect if students are paying attention or not. And that's all for today. Today you learned how pose estimation works, how computers read your body using key points and skeletons, and you actually build your own AI that can tell the difference between standing and sitting. That's not small, that's genuinely impressive. Now try to build a model on your own, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep building.